Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing adding some fog lights to the Crown Victoria, which I'll get to in a second. Just want to show you guys what the car looked like without the fog lights, and then we're going to go ahead and open up the box, take a look at the ones that I bought, and go ahead and install them on the Crown Victoria. So we'll be putting them down here in the grill area, well, in the bottom part down here. I'm going to see, hopefully we won't have any problem with them fitting. Then we can go ahead and get them installed. I want to mainly put them close to the edge, not all the way to the edge, but like right in that part there. So yeah, we'll check it out, see what we got. Other than that, we'll go with the car. So here are the lights that I purchased. These are right here. I already took them out the box. As you see, they are white. They're not blue or yellow. You got the white lights, LED accent HD, 32 LEDs, divided up between the two. And this is, the name of it. If you want to check out the price, I'll leave a link down in the description below, or if you want to order a set. This is not a sponsored video, which we have not gotten anyone to sponsor any of our videos just yet, but we're getting around to it. But right now, so we bought these to try out, and we're going to go ahead and see will they fit first, and then if they fit, then eventually I'll go ahead and mount them to the car, and then eventually we'll hook up the wiring. So we're going to go ahead and mount them, and then we'll run the wiring where we want it to be, and then I have to wait to plug them in because I got a wiring kit and I don't know what I did with it. But the lights did come with a, the wires and everything, and it does have a switch. Where is it? Oh, right here. So you can see that it's a switch. There you go. So you can hook the switch up wherever you want to plug it up at. So yeah, pretty cool. You guys a better look at the lights. LED. Now, if you own a Crown Victoria, you already know the lights are not the best on the Crown Vic, so you may need a set of these, especially if you drive a lot at night. Now, if you don't drive a lot at night, you might not need a set, but it does not hurt to have an extra set of lights, because new modern cars, the lights are on point. But the Crown Vic, yeah, they didn't put a lot of thought into the headlights. But this is the mounting bracket. You just sit it on there. They want you to do some screws, but we're not going to screw it in. And then it does move on the bracket. So if it's already mounted and you need to point them up or point them down, it's very easy to make the adjustment. So that's one. Let's take one around to the front of the car and see if it fits first. So I put one of them, just set it up there to see if it'll fit. It does fit in the groove, but we got a little hump, so we're going to have to figure out how we're going to mount it without it being, without the hump causing it to fall off. Because what we got, we want it to sit, and we like for it to sit flush if possible. I'm not sure if it's going to do that. We will see. It's just about flush in there though. I don't want it to fall off. So, yeah, let's make it happen. I had to come over here to cut the blazer off, just letting it warm up. I like to crank it up often, keep the battery good, even though it has a new battery. Just get all the fluids rolling. As you see, we got oil pressure. Temperature adjusted, it was about halfway, but it has went back down now. We put some gas in this thing, good voltage. So that's that part. I gotta come back. We're gonna do another video because we gotta find out what fuse goes to the seat. The seat is not working, and of course the back hatch is not working. It doesn't even make a sound, and it's stuck, so it won't open. So that's something else. Oh, the door locks too. So there's got to be a fuse blown for the locks and for the seat. So that's gonna be something else we gotta fix. Other than that, man, we got the blazer lock. Pretty good though. The Blazer. All right, I'm about to pull the car around to the spot that I pull it to work on, you know, doing a little work. So I want to be out in the open, you know, because these people sometimes, you know, when you're in the neighborhood, people drive kind of fast, and you know, you don't want nobody bumping into you. So we're gonna pull in the area that, you know, not really hardly any traffic comes to, and if it does, it's a one-way in, one-way out type of thing. So you'll see them coming, and you won't be in the way. But other than that, yeah, we're finna install these lights, man. See how they look, and then go from there. Do that. Work pretty cool. Okay, so what I did was I went ahead and got some mounting tape to put on the back. You can use whatever tape of your choice if you don't want to do the screws. But I also did leave enough area if I decide to use screws, which I won't. But there you go. Now, once I see how this fits, I may come back and put more mounting tape on here. And then we're also going to run a clear so it does give you a diagram of how to wire the lights. As you see, you have a black for the ground, you have a red for the power, or ACC, and then you have another red for the power that goes to the battery. And that's how you aim them. So yeah. All right, so we use the double-sided tape, and I'm going to run a zip tie around both of them to make sure they stay mounted. I got to run to the store and get that, so hopefully they stay on. We run to grab those zip ties, and then we'll go ahead. Once we feel comfortable we got them mounted, we'll come back, go ahead and plug them in, do the wiring. The wiring doesn't look too bad. The only thing, I got to find the ground spot for each light from the front bumper right here, so I got to figure that out, and then that'll be good to go. All right, so it's another day with the lights. I actually ended up taking the lights back off the Crown Vic. Just want some a little more low profile that you really can't even tell that's there. Not sure if I'm gonna find something like that, but I'm gonna check on it. So with these lights here, we're gonna go ahead and do a giveaway with these. I'm gonna take the double-sided tape back off, take out the box, all the wiring, and do a giveaway. So 200 likes on this video, we'll go ahead and give these lights away to someone who would like to put them on their vehicle. We did mount them on the car. I plugged the red power cord into them, but I never did hook it up to the battery, so it's still practically new. So yeah, if you like them, go ahead and hit that like button, leave a comment down in the comment section below, and once we get 200 likes, we will give them away. We also still have the center caps off the Crown Vic. I gotta go back and check that video, because at 100 likes I was going to give that away. Still in the trunk. Would love to get rid of them, so make sure you go check out that video too. Hit the like, comment, and you'll be entered for the giveaway on that. Other than that, thank you guys for watching, and right now we're going to probably go ahead and start checking the fuses on this Blazer, so I get the seat back working, and then so let me know what you guys think of the video of the lights. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you on the next one.
So anyway, the square pie with the Detroit style pizza has had a huge increase in orders. More and more people are getting into that thick crust.